day almost we have statements talking.
The main objective of the meeting, in my national capacity, I can say that we are concerned about the need to maintain the negotiations which have been taking place over the years. And as I mentioned when I was describing our view of the upcoming meeting, that the meeting will discuss the ways to implement the Council's decisions on this issue taken previously. And you are all aware of the nature of those decisions. So yes, we'll be looking to reaffirmation of the Council's positions, and we expect that this is going to be reflected in the presidential statement, but we are in the process of discussion, so I don't want to go into details. We are currently working on a draft presidential statement. The Security Council has not discussed this particular aspect of the problem surrounding the situation in the area. In my national capacity, I can tell you that we are categorically against threats against Iran or contemplating any use of military force against Iran. There are diplomatic tracks which are very much alive, and we hope to be able to further pursue them and to have them successfully accomplished in dealing with the issue associated with the Iranian nuclear program in place over the years. And as I mentioned, I think I can say that it is a position of at least 5 of the 6 participants in the 6-party talks that it's crucially important to return to the 6-party talks, even though it's not something which we can expect happening within days. There was a missile launch which members of the Security Council found provocative. The Security Council made a presidential statement which was very carefully drafted, and we believed it was proportionate to the challenge.